Hello and what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be showing you how to remove background of any image when you don't have Photoshop. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is go to this website called remove.bg, and then from here you just want to upload an image. Let's say I want to upload an image of my profile picture, which is this one. And then from here, all you have to do is just wait for the AI to do its thing. And once you've downloaded it, once it's done, you can now download the image. So as you can see, here's the original with the white background, and here's the removed background. So that's pretty much it, guys. And when you want to download it, of course, just hit download, and when you open it up, there we go. As you can see, there's no background. Okay, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you learned something. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more daily videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.